Imagine living inside the most advanced machine ever created, yet understanding only a tiny part of it. That machine is you. The human body and mind are incredibly complex. Scientists have studied humans for centuries, yet some mysteries remain unsolved. These mysteries challenge science, philosophy, and even our understanding of reality. Today, we are going to explore some of the most fascinating mysteries about humans that still puzzle scientists around the world. By the end of this video, you may start looking at yourself very differently. One of the biggest mysteries about humans is consciousness. Why are we aware of ourselves? Your brain contains about 86 billion neurons, constantly sending electrical signals. These signals control your thoughts, memories, emotions, and decisions. But here's the strange part. Scientists understand how neurons communicate, but they still cannot explain how these signals create awareness. Why do you feel emotions? Why do you experience reality instead of simply reacting like a machine? Some scientists believe consciousness is simply a product of brain activity. Others think consciousness might be something deeper, something that science has not yet discovered. Some even suggest that consciousness could be connected to the fundamental nature of the universe itself. And this question remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries of humanity. Every night, when you sleep, your brain creates entire worlds. You see people, places, and stories that feel completely real. But why do we dream? Scientists still do not fully understand it. Some researchers believe dreams help the brain process memories and emotions. Others think dreams may help the brain solve problems. There have been many cases where people solved complex problems or invented new ideas after dreaming. For example, scientists and artists throughout history have reported discovering new ideas through dreams. But another strange mystery is lucid dreaming. This happens when a person becomes aware that they are dreaming and can control the dream. Imagine flying, visiting distant places, or creating entire worlds inside your mind. And yet, it all happens inside your brain. The human brain is often described as the most powerful object in the known universe. It can create languages, build civilizations, explore space, and imagine things that do not even exist. But scientists believe we still use only a small portion of our brain's potential. The brain can store an incredible amount of information, possibly equivalent to millions of gigabytes of data. Your brain is also constantly changing through a process called neuroplasticity. This means the brain can reorganize itself, create new connections, and even recover from certain injuries. There are also rare cases where people suddenly develop incredible abilities after brain injuries, such as advanced mathematical skills or musical talents. These individuals are sometimes called savant syndrome cases. But scientists still do not fully understand how these hidden abilities exist inside the human brain. Have you ever had a feeling that something was about to happen? A sudden sense that something was wrong, or right? This is called intuition. Many people describe intuition as a gut feeling. Sometimes intuition helps people make the right decision without knowing why. Some researchers believe intuition is simply the brain processing information quickly in the background. But there are strange cases where intuition seems almost too accurate to explain. For example, people sometimes sense danger moments before it happens. Others suddenly think about someone, and that person calls them seconds later. Is this coincidence? Or is the human brain capable of something we don't fully understand yet? Scientists are still trying to find the answer. Your memories shape who you are. But memory is far stranger than we think. Most people believe memories are stored like files inside the brain. However, research suggests that every time we remember something, the memory actually changes. This means your brain may be rewriting your memories constantly. That's why two people can remember the same event very differently. Another strange mystery is photographic memory. Some individuals can remember pages of books, entire conversations, or detailed scenes with incredible accuracy. Scientists still don't know exactly how this ability works. And even more mysterious is why the brain sometimes remembers tiny details from years ago, but forgets something that happened yesterday. Humans experience a huge range of emotions: happiness, fear, love, anger, sadness. But emotions are more than just feelings. They are powerful forces that influence almost every decision we make. For example, fear can trigger the body's fight-or-flight response, preparing us to escape danger instantly. Love releases chemicals in the brain like dopamine and oxytocin, creating feelings of connection and trust. But here's the mystery. Why do humans feel emotions so deeply compared to most other animals? Why do we create art, music, and stories to express emotions? Why do emotions sometimes overpower logic? Even today, scientists are still exploring how emotions truly work inside the brain. Humans are the only species capable of creating complex art, music, architecture, and technology. But creativity itself is still mysterious. Where do ideas come from? Some people suddenly experience moments of creative inspiration where ideas appear almost instantly. Writers, artists, and inventors often describe creativity as if ideas come from somewhere outside their mind. Many famous discoveries happen during sudden moments of inspiration. But scientists still cannot fully explain how the brain generates completely new ideas. Creativity may be one of the most powerful and mysterious abilities humans possess. For thousands of years, humans have asked one question. Do we have a soul? Many religions and philosophies believe that humans possess something beyond the physical body, an essence that defines who we truly are. Some near-death experiences have reported strange stories where people claim to see light, feel peace, or observe their own bodies from outside. Scientists are still debating whether these experiences are caused by brain activity, or something deeper. There is still no clear answer. And that question continues to fascinate humanity. Despite all our technology and scientific discoveries, the greatest mystery in the universe might still be the human being. Inside every person exists a complex mind, powerful emotions, hidden abilities, and unanswered questions. Perhaps the biggest mystery is not the universe around us, but the universe inside us. And maybe one day, science will uncover these secrets. Until then, humans remain one of the most fascinating mysteries ever known. If you enjoyed exploring these mysteries, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join us for more mind-blowing discoveries about the universe, science, and the unknown. Because the more we learn, the more mysterious the world becomes.